lesson are we on this week? What's number
44.
44. So everyone turn to 44. Just so you know, I have new glasses and they make everything look like it's a trapezoid. So if I get off track on my numbers, that's probably why. Alright, so let's go ahead and just run down the problems today. And then one of the things I'm going to do is on the real easy ones, we'll stop and ask which law you used to solve it. Okay? So, number 1 on your board. The rate of posers outrates fraud is 14 to 3. This is one if they totaled. So what do you have to do differently on this one?
You just have to
find out which one we found.
Okay. Okay, so if the total of the problem they're asking for is 2244, is that right?
Yeah.
What do you have to do here?
You have to add those up and put the posers over the total.
Okay, so now we have
both
one.
sides.
Okay, so what are we looking for? What are they asking for? Posers or frauds?
Posers.
So we want to know how many posers there are. So we look at our original problem. How many posers are here?
14.
So it's a 14 to 17 ratio
Right.
of posers to frauds.
Well, posers to total.
Or to
Wait a
total,
minute.
you're right.
Okay.
Good?
I'm just wondering, if there's 2,244, why is there 17 on the other side?
Okay, how much does 14 plus 3 equal?
17.
So what you do is you have this ratio in a small group, and you want to know what it is in the big group. So you have to take the same ratios. So you have to look at what they're asking you. They can ask you about posers, frauds, or totals. So since they asked about the total, you have to write that too. And you'll have another problem to solve it. All right, what am I writing up here, guys?
There we go.
Just okay, we'll finish it. Tell me, because it's a good one for the certain laws. What am I going to do to balance this?
You can cross multiply.
No. I'm going to.
Associate.
No. Try it again. What am I doing? Just tell me physically what to write.
Oh, 14p equals 7.
No, you're making it too hard.
That's what I'm doing. Oh.
Well, you have to cross multiply.
Okay, no cross multiplying has to occur here. And that's the problem when you see these problems and you think it's cross multiplying. All you have to do is multiply this. Right?
Oh, dang it.
Then your p will be all by itself. How many p's do you want?
You cross multiply.
That's not cross multiplying. Cross multiplying is when you bring this to this and that to that and you make a cross.
Oh, never mind.
Right? So, why am I multiplying by 224 on each side?
To get p
Yeah,
by
that's
2.
Because I only want one p, all right? And then what law makes it so that I'm going to choose that? 2244. The Adani law, because that divided by that is 1. So now I have 1p. Can we bother writing the 1?
No.
No. All right? You think 17 and 2244 might actually cancel easily? Is it set up for you?
Well, better because you can't have a fraction of a person.
How about that? So do the work. How many 17s going to 22?
You can, but it's not very.
Let's see if it works. How many 17s going to 22?
1.
With what left over?
5.
How many 17s going to 54?
I don't know. 3.
3 17s are?
51.
Say it all. 3 times 17 is 51.
3 times 17 is 51.
Saxon's going to use 51 and actually ask you to factor it a lot because it's an unusual factor. All right, so it's 51 would be there. So 17 goes into 54 at least 3 times with 34 left over. Is 17 going to 34?
2 times. Twice.
So this does cancel. So at least it's right. You can get whole people.
That's good.
So what's the answer? So it's not.
You have to multiply by it.
All right.
1,848.
Good. Say that again.
1,848.
1,848.
I got 148.
Hold on.
I got 1,000. Oh wait, yeah.
So it's got to be at least over 1,000.
I forgot 41.
Right? Because if number sense, 14 times 132 is 10 times that, so it'd be at least 1,320.
Yep.
Okay. All right.